Hey, what's going on, guys? Just wanted to make a quick video on these guys right here. The Icon 2024 Tacoma shock top plates. Obviously, I'm sure you guys have seen around the issue with the internal bump stops on these and blowing the cap through the top. So, for a little bit of peace of mind, I just ordered some of these, like 140 bucks. Why not? So I just wanted to make a quick video on throwing them in. So first, and really all you need is just one of these guys. A little 14, pop these 4 bolts out, and then this will slip right on top. It preloads this and prevents it from shooting out. All right, once you get these nuts cracked loose, just pop them all off. And then after that, you can just slap the top hat back on. And these were not very tight at all, by the way, so when you're throwing these back on, make sure you do not send it home. These were not too tight. They don't need to be that tight. Once you got all 4 nuts off, all you do is you take your top hat like this, flat side towards the engine, is just slap it right over top, just like that. And you can see this big nut is now captured, basically, and there's a little bit of a gap here. So once you tighten this down, that'll preload it ever so slightly, and you'll basically be good to go. Won't have to worry about your shock blowing through and damaging your fender here. So right on, I'll get these tightened up. One thing I'd quickly recommend before putting this top plate on is just take a rag, clean off any big dirt particles and little pebbles and rocks from under here, because you want this top plate to sit down as flush as possible. And when tightening it, I'd recommend doing some sort of crisscross pattern, just so you don't put unnecessary pressure on just one side of the nut underneath there. So let's get this tightened up. And there we go. Top plate is installed, and now you got a little more peace of mind. So if you guys enjoyed the video, drop a like. I know this was a super short one. Obviously, just repeat the same step on the other side. All right. Have a good one.